just happy because it was a hazard, you know, with animals and rodents. It was just bad. And keeping it clean, it was even more difficult for me and my husband.
Detroiter Marcia Walker has waited nearly a decade for this blighted home next door to come down. Not only an eyesore, but the home on Press Street was a nuisance and invited criminal activity.
Just because they saw that it was abandoned, they thought it was all right to dump things over there, which is not.
The goal for the demolition department is to knock down 3,000 blighted homes this year, and over time, 8,000 across the city. And they'll do it with funds from Proposal N, which Detroiters overwhelmingly approved to address 16,000 vacant homes, 8,000 for demolition, 8,000 for stabilization. Demolition Director LaJuan Counts has made a commitment to fill 80% of jobs on the stabilization team with returning citizens.
This is like Board Up, but Board Up 2.0, where we actually have it's a level of a trade that they can continue to work in this business after the demolition program.
Ms. Walker plans to buy the lot from Detroit Land Bank for $100 when it becomes available. She now sleeps better at night, as Director Counts explains that Prop N means opportunity is rising for Detroiters.
It represents opportunity in several ways. So in the process, you have opportunities for small-based businesses, small Detroit-based businesses to earn demo contracts. We've got the opportunity for any company, smaller-based company, who's going to come in and do that supportive work during the process. Then you also have, well, what does the neighborhood do with that property? In some cases, they turn them into community gardens. Sometimes they just turn them into open spaces. It's a chance for us to kind of go back to how life used to be when you actually knew your neighbors. You had an opportunity to engage more with the community because you had these spaces where you could gather. And so you take something that was really a nightmare and turned it into something that's more of a community, family-based opportunity.